We would like to invite everyone to get settled. Our program will begin in 10 minutes. hope you are settled and comfortable. Our program will start shortly. Please rise for the opening prayer. Heavenly Father, we come together in thanksgiving for the blessing you have granted us today. As we come together to celebrate a milestone by your people, the people of Iloilo City. We thank you for the creativity of the minds and the strength of the hands and backs that build our beloved city's world-class bike lane, which, through your favor, will be a way to serve the present and future generations of Ilonggos. May it serve as a reminder of what we can achieve as a people when we put the common good first and when we work with creation, not against it. Above all, like everything that is good and true, may it always reflect your goodness, faithfulness, and love. We ask this through Christ our Lord. Amen. Please remain standing for the Philippine National Anthem, to be followed by the singing of the Iloilo City Hymn. take your seats. Good morning, Iloilo City. My name is Kate Chavez, and I am your host this morning. Welcome to the launch event of Iloilo City Network, the official bike lane of Iloilo City, the bike capital of the Philippines. Opening today's program, please welcome the acting head of Marketing and Events Division of the Tourism Promotions Board. Please welcome Miss Eloisa Romero.
Secretary Attorney Maria Esperanza Cristina Garcia Codilla Frasco of the Department of Tourism, represented by Director Christine Mancinares of DOT Region 6, Honorable Julienne Jam Baronda, representative of the Lone District of Iloilo, Honorable Arthur Defensor Jr., Governor of the Province of Iloilo, Honorable Governors of neighboring provinces, and of course, the host city, headed by Honorable Jerry Treñas and represented by former Councilor Jose Efrain J. Treñas III, Honorable Mayors of neighboring municipalities and cities, Councilors of Iloilo City, Director Salvador Dong Sarabia Jr., sir, and the team of Iloilo City, My Center, the men and women behind this event, ladies and gentlemen, I am humbled by the honor to be with you today to represent the Chief Operating Officer of the Tourism Promotions Board, Philippines, Attorney Maria Antoinette Velasco Aliones, to launch the city of Iloilo as the bike capital of the Philippines. COO Tonet wished to have personally joined us here today for this exciting event. She is, however, unable to come because of when we received the invitation for today, she has already confirmed to join the Philippine Motorcycle Tourism activity in the Mindanao Confederation of Big Bike Clubs. So, allow me to read her message for this occasion. On behalf of the Tourism Promotions Board, we congratulate all of you, our tourism prime movers of Iloilo, for ensuring the successful culmination of our plans through the pandemic to position Iloilo City as the bike capital of the Philippines. Our shared endeavor to push for bike tourism directly responds to the very core of our tourist sentiments, longing for more outdoor activities in a way that also allows them to rediscover the iconic sites of the place. And in between stops, or at the end of each ride, be able to experience and taste the gastronomic flavors unique to our communities. Today's launch of Iloilo as the bike capital of the Philippines is likewise well aligned with our advocacy of responsible tourism, as it helps bring down carbon footprints. And we commend your efforts to also support your creative villages and the artists by tapping them to create the murals that make the bike pathways a sight to behold. We congratulate you for this feat. We reiterate our gratitude to you for your unceasing support and collaboration with the TPB. Iloilo City and the Iloilo Province remain to be strong partners of TPB in promoting and marketing your iconic heritage sites, pilgrim churches, culinary delights, and crafts. As we steer the continuing recovery of tourism, we renew our commitment to also promote Iloilo City as a MICE destination. Noting how you have harnessed the potentials of MICE sector, from building infrastructure, including large event venues and hotel accommodations, to capacity building and technical skills upgrading. You are assured of our continued support and partnership. Madamo nga salamat sa inyo tanan.
Thank you so much, Miss Eloisa Romero. Here to join us in this very special occasion for the city of Iloilo. Please give a warm Ilonggo welcome to the Regional Director of Department of Tourism, Region 6, Director Christine Manzanares.
Maayong aga sa tanan. Thank you very much, Ms. Kay. To our representative from the Tourism Promotions Board, Ms. Eloisa Romero here, representing Chief Operations Officer of TPB, Attorney Antoinette Alyones. Of course, Mayor Jerry Treñas and his team, with Sir Dong here from the Iloilo Center, our partner also coming from IFFI, we have Mr. Laison, of course, Mr. Peña, Mr. Ke, and Mr. Oigonco, who also supported this initiative. Mega World, our media guests. We also have here Mayor from Cabatuan. Thank you, Mayor, for joining us. To our stakeholders who are supporting and taking a lot of work in making this program a success. Again, maayong aga. On behalf of the Department of Tourism, headed by our dear Secretary, Maria Cristina Frasco, I congratulate the City Government of Iloilo, Mayor Treñas, Sir Dong, and the rest of the team, and all its key stakeholders coming from the public and private sector for such an excellent program that promotes wellness, sustainability, inclusiveness, and road safety. The DOT will continue to support this initiative, and I am certain that this will create more jobs, bring in more investments, and inspire more destinations. This will also allow the expansion of economic and livelihood opportunities of local government units across the Western Visayas region, and harness the potential of the tourism sector as an engine for sustainable growth. Congratulations to all our government leaders for taking bolder steps to reopen our economy and speed up our recovery. We will align our efforts with the LGUs and our private stakeholders focused on the priority of the current administration on the improvement of tourism infrastructure and accessibility, enhancement of the Filipino brand, and provision of equal opportunity for destinations on product development and promotion. To all our governors, mayors from Western Visayas who are expected also to support this project, our stakeholders, again, congratulations on the successful launch of Iloilo's brand as the bike capital of the Philippines. Madamo gid nga salamat.
Thank you so much, Director Christine Manzanares. To formally launch our Iloilo City as the bike capital of the Philippines, please welcome a former councilor of Iloilo City, the Honorable Jose Efraim J. Treñas III.
Pleasant morning to everyone. Before I start with the prepared speech given to me earlier, prepared by our mayor, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our Deputy Majority Leader, Congresswoman Jamjam Baronda. Likewise, I would also like to thank the presence of our Regional Director, Department of Tourism, Region 6. Let's all give her a round of applause. Director Christine Manzanares, palapakan gid naton. And Ms. Eloisa Romero, our Acting Head, Marketing and Events Division for Tourism Promotions Board. Let's give her a round of applause. Palapakan gid naton. And we would also like to thank Director Salvador Sarabia Jr., Director of Iloilo City My Center, for holding this event together with the longtime partner of the city in promoting Iloilo City as the bike capital of the country, Mega World. Let's give them a round of applause with Ma'am Jennifer Fong, palapakan gid naton, and her team for always supporting, even in its infancy, the thrust of Iloilo City towards becoming the bike capital of our country. Likewise, we would like to thank the hard work of Iloilo Festivals Foundation Incorporated, headed by our President, John Marie Laison, palapakan naton, and of course, the ever-dynamic Sir Judgy Peña. Let's give them a round of applause. I would also like to acknowledge the presence of Sir Alexander Ke, Sir, palapakan naton, and Dr. Rene Zelda of ISAT, palapakan naton sila. And to all those who I have failed to mention, I greet all of you a pleasant morning and congratulations in advance sa aton mga pinalangga nga mga Ilonggo. Please allow me to read the prepared speech of our beloved Mayor Jerry P. Treñas, and I quote, "Good morning, my fellow Ilonggos. I say that to greet not just all of you here, but all Ilonggos in every part of the world. Why? Because today we literally reveal concrete proof that Iloilo City and its people are truly world-class. What supports this claim? None other than our very own world-class bike lane, which we are calling the Iloilo City Network. It is a safe, scenic, and eco-friendly bike path that currently stretches 11 kilometers of paved road and is comparable to the best bike lanes in the world. You might say I am biased, being a proud and true-blooded Ilonggo, but the truth is, I am merely echoing what the world is saying. They are the ones who have accorded our bike lane with awards. Of course, we are only too happy to receive them on behalf of the city, as well as the country at large. That is why we have every right to say that Iloilo, our beloved city, is truly the bike capital of the Philippines. It gives me great pride to share with you that we are announcing this to the world. Your city government, through the My Center, has carefully planned and produced a marketing campaign centered on the Iloilo City Network, with the objective of inviting people from different walks of life to come and experience Iloilo City, the bike capital of the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, please address your eyes to a short video that we have prepared.
Welcome to the bike capital of the Philippines, Iloilo City. Introducing the Iloilo City Network, the city's award-winning bike lane, where you can ride safe while soaking in the views of the past, present, and future Iloilo City in the most eco-friendly way. Teka naman!
It was shorter than I expected. I thought that I had time to go to the restroom. That 30-seconder will air in various TV stations in the coming days. You here are the first to see it, and those watching live at home. So what does this mean for us, really? Do we expect to attract more tourists? Maybe. Will there be more bike-owning Ilonggos? Why not? and I hope so. Achieving both is good and all part of the grand plan. But the greater purpose is to make it known that Iloilo is a forward-thinking city that cares for its people, its environment, and its heritage. There used to be a time when being a progressive city necessitated having taller buildings, brighter lights, and busier people. But now, progress is defined by livability and sustainability, which are depicted by greener surroundings, cleaner skies, and warmer smiles. I'm sure you'll agree that picture is very Iloilo, especially when you see it through the lens of your bike and when you are on our bike lanes. Allow me to share with you the official digital video that will explain the vision behind the Iloilo City Network bike lane in greater detail. As I congratulate all Ilonggos for this momentous day, when there is greater reason to tell present and future visitors, welcome to Iloilo City, the bike capital of the Philippines. Bike ka naman sa Iloilo City. Sit back and enjoy.
There is something fun, free, and festive flowing from the heart of Iloilo City. The Iloilo City Network is an award-winning bike lane that stretches 11 kilometers of paved road, connecting locals and tourists to various destinations for work and recreation. The bike lanes are constructed wide, making for comfortable riding for individuals and groups. In the city, there are areas of the lane that are landscaped by lush foliage, which double as eco-friendly safety barriers. At night, the Iloilo City Network glows vibrant as street lamps illuminate the lane, giving riders a clear, visible path and a reassuring feeling of safety.
Dako gyud nga bulig ang Iloilo City Network. Muni nga amon ginagamit sa pagkadto kag pagpulis sa obras adlaw-adlaw. Sa paggamit sang free lane, dako gyud ang amon masupot sa transportation. Bisan magabihan, hindi ka gyud makulbaan. Kay masanag ang lane kag wala rason sang pagkabalaka.
But apart from a dedicated lane for bikers of all ages, the Iloilo City Network is a thriving ecosystem of various sites and sceneries. You can easily go from one destination to the next just by, literally, following the road. Learn the city's history and appreciate its rich culture, all on two wheels. And, in between, delicious adventures await, as you can stop to enjoy Iloilo's popular delicacies at your leisure.
It's amazing to see something like this come to fruition. It's safe, it's practical, it's healthy, and it's something that people here can really be proud of. It's actually a unique experience where you can get to know the people and culture of the city in a closer, more personal way.
For these reasons, the Iloilo City Network has become beloved to locals, bringing numerous recognitions and earning the right to be called the bike capital of the Philippines.
We're very proud of our bike lane here, the Iloilo City Network. It's a showpiece for the city in terms of how it has come to be an advanced metropolis. Through our bike lanes, we hope to provide a safe, scenic, and sustainable road network for our people and visitors. Ultimately, to solidify our status as a smart, competitive, and progressive city that is ready to welcome the world.
And Iloilo is not all that far away from it. As a city, it has been cited for its gains and for being a model in terms of livability, safety, and creating opportunities.
The Iloilo City Network is a testament to the collective vision and effort of the people of Iloilo City. It is physical evidence that economic progress, environmental advocacy, and cultural continuity can all coexist as the foundations of a refined way of life. That is what our people enjoy today, and eventually what we want others to see for themselves here in Iloilo.
Truly, there's more to see in the bike capital of the Philippines than meets the eye. So, we invite you to come visit, explore, and discover Iloilo City on a bike. Kaya,
Bike ka naman!
Bike ka naman! Bike ka naman sa Iloilo City! Bike ka!
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. A round of applause to Iloilo City Network. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, as Ilonggos, we are truly proud that finally we have Iloilo City Network. And of course, it is a safe, scenic, and eco-friendly bike path that is currently 11 kilometers of paved road, and of course is comparable to the best bike lanes in the world. So to my fellow Ilonggos, congratulations. And of course, thank you very much to former Councilor Jay Treñas. Ladies and gentlemen, to express her pride for this milestone of the people of Iloilo, let us all together welcome our city's representative to the House of Congress, the Honorable Congresswoman Julian Jamjam Baronda.
Maayong aga sa tanan, distinguished guest, of course, ang aton nga aktibo nga konsehal sang una, representative sang aton palangga nga mayor, palakpakan naton, Jay Treñas. To the MICE Incentive Board's Chair, Yusek Dong Sarabia, Regional Director Christine Manzanares, of course, Ma'am Eloisa Romero, the man behind, the many men behind Iloilo Festival Incorporated, palakpakan naton, Tito Joji Peña, Manong Jomar Laison, Alexander Janke, and of course, Regional Director Tabaldo, I saw him, and the partner of Iloilo City Government, even during the infancy, palakpakan tagid si Ma'am Janitor Fong, and of course, the bike enthusiast, friends from media. A pleasant morning to everyone. Councilor Rudolph Ganson, sorry. Our partners, and today we put forward another accomplishment for Iloilo City as we finally take on the title of being the bike capital of the Philippines. This honor is more than a great responsibility. And as leaders, we are called to uphold the vision that comes with this recognition. As the bike capital of the Philippines, we are tasked to design strategies and implement policies that promote inclusive mobility. This requires us to ensure road safety through a comprehensive education and information drive, as well as by providing the necessary infrastructure. And because it is testament, siling ni Mayor Kagina, of the collaborative efforts of both public and private partnership, along with the members of the House of Representatives who approved the General Appropriations Act to make sure that Region 6 will have a large pie in the Department of Tourism budget for the program of Department of Tourism in the region. So palakpakan man naton ang mga kaupod nakon nga mga representatives sa Region 6 kay tungod ang syudad sang Iloilo last year or few years ago dako gid ang pondo nga gingahin sa aton General Appropriations Act. I just flew yesterday to support this event because next week will be very critical for the inter-region to make sure that we will be having a budget for the programs of Iloilo City, for the region, not only for the Department of Tourism, but all line agencies in the country. So again, balik kita. And as Vice Chair of the Committee on Transportation during the 18th Congress, we welcome this initiative. In a similar manner, being the bike capital of the Philippines is set to be beneficial not only to our city, but to the neighboring municipality or provinces. This may boost our local economy through tourism and other ventures that intersect with it. This will mean many positive ripple effects to our city and to the entire Western Visayas. Together with this, it inspires the Ilonggo to lead active lifestyle and aid in the reduction of their carbon footprint. This promises healthier bodies and allows us to do our part in saving the planet. Thus, it is with immense pride and gratitude that I congratulate the Iloilo City government headed by our very hardworking Mayor Jerry P. Treñas of Iloilo City and Iloilo City Meetings, Incentive, Conferences, and Investment Center. And of course, IFFI, fellow bike enthusiasts, servants, our stakeholders, and everyone else who has had a hand in this for all the effort exerted in being true to the accolade of bike capital of Iloilo City. I wish everyone good luck as you push for safer, healthier means of transportation. Know that you have my unwavering support as you kickstart this event following the theme Bike Ka Naman sa Iloilo City as a safe, scenic, and eco-friendly bike capital of the Philippines. In ending, let us cultivate a healthy lifestyle through biking for a better, beautiful, and new you. Congratulations, everyone. Good luck, and have a pleasant Sunday, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Congresswoman Julian Jamjam Baronda. And now, may we call back on stage our beloved guest speakers this morning for a ceremonial photo opportunity. Miss Eloisa Romero, Director Christine Manzanares, former Councilor Jay Treñas, Congresswoman Jamjam Baronda. Again, please join us on stage for a ceremonial photo opportunity. Of course, we would like to invite our friends from the media to take part. This is your chance to take that photo. To join our guest speakers this morning, we would like to invite Ma'am Jennifer Fong of Mega World to please join the group for the ceremonial photo opportunity. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to thank the generous support of Iloilo Bike Shop by Brian Cuenca. Thank you very much for providing us with the bikes that you see on stage right now and the bikes on the video we have launched earlier. So once again, thank you very much, Iloilo Bike Shop by Brian Cuenca. give a huge round of applause